What's going on, guys? Mitch here, Merce Farm Equipment. We're here to show you the Westendorf brush crusher for the compact tractors. That's a grapple without the need for third function hydraulics, saving you thousands of dollars and letting you put a grapple on your compact tractor without the extra hydraulics. Check it out. Alright, so let's talk on how this brush crusher works. Westendorf designed this to not have any extra hydraulics. So you don't need the third function hydraulics on the loader. Saves you $1,500, $1,000, whatever third function cost on the loader. You don't have to have that to run this grapple. It's all in this linkage here. So this bar will come up and hit the bottom side of the loader there once you tilt forward. So it's all in the tilt cylinders on the bucket. As you tilt the grapple forward, this piece is going to come back and hit the bottom side of that loader there. It's solid here. It's not going to hurt anything. It's just going to put pressure on that. And once it hits the bottom side of that loader, then that locks the bottom jaw. The top jaw will continue to come down and grab anything, you know, just like this, and pick it up from that point. So that's how the design of this works. So Westendorf's brush crusher, no extra hydraulics at all. Nothing else on there. The loader is set up from the factory with nothing else added. And it's all in this third function of this, without the third function hydraulics. Skid steer style setup on this one. They make different setups to fit different loaders. So let's see how this works.